Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to And Then There Was Style. So if this is your first time here, definitely take the time to hit that subscribe button. And if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some of the most amazing and beautiful little girl rooms that I could find. I definitely hope you enjoy this video. As always, comment your favorite down below. Now let's get into the video. I just absolutely love decorating little girls' rooms. You can let your imagination go wild and come up with so many traditional or contemporary out-of-the-box styles that other people have not thought of. You can really put your own imprint into whatever room that you are decorating. Hopefully you guys are still enjoying the video. There is more to come. Make sure you subscribe. As always, I hope that you have enjoyed the video and possibly have seen some concepts that you all have not thought of yet. So if you have enjoyed the video, please take the time to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to become part of our family, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys!